Welcome. In this series we are running an analysis of a simple lap joint and comparing the approaches in Abaqus CAE and 3D Experience. The analysis has now been solved and here we'll look at some basic post-processing. So let's get started. Here we are in the same state as the end of the solve video. Both solutions have completed and the monitors are still shown. In this case, 3D Experience has already loaded up the results of the simulation in the background. Of particular note here is that in 3D Experience, we are now in the Physics Results app. This is signified by the name next to the compass in the top left. In general, we can equate this app to the Visualization module and the Results tab familiar to Abaqus CAE users. If you would do something in the visualization module, then you will likely be doing that in the Physics Results app. Contour plots, symbol plots, path plots, XY data, field expression calculations, etc. We're not going to cover all of those options here as they behave very similarly to the visualization module. Here we will just show the most common post-processing field contour plots. By default, we have a von Mises stress plot. The default coloring is to use smooth contours in 3D Experience. We can change this behavior though by double-clicking on the contour directly to set the options. Here we can choose the limits and we will uncheck the smooth contours option. Note, by default 10 contour levels are used. In Abaqus CAE, we'll load the results from the analysis, change to a contour plot, and edit the options so that the display is comparable. With this, we can see that the results are indeed comparable. Difference is due to the mesh being negligible. In Abaqus CAE, there is the toolbar which provides quick access to different results types. By default, however, the contour options remain from the last display. So changing to a displacement means we now need to reset the limits we set earlier. In 3D Experience, there are a set of different result type branches on the feature tree. We can use this to swap to a displacement plot. Note, each result display can have unique options set, so here the contouring is smooth for displacement. The Plots dialog also has a drop-down where the specific result to plot can be selected, such as plastic strain. This works very similar to the result toolbar. So here in this video we've seen that just like we would change to Abaqus CAE's visualization module to post-process, in 3D Experience we would use the Physics Results app and the behavior is very similar. Thank you for your attention.